Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will teach you how to turn off and on any iPhone without power button. Let's get started without wasting any time. Go to settings page on your iPhone, swipe down to see general and tap on it. Again swipe down and tap on shutdown. Now slide to power off. After that your iPhone will turn off. Now charge the iPhone to turn it on. You can see that as soon as I put the iPhone to charge, it turned on immediately. So guys, this is how you can turn off and on your iPhone without power button. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.